How to link Gaijin account to Steam War Thunder. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and move into the site of Steam. Or you can even directly open your Steam application. So linking a Gaijin account to Steam is necessary to synchronize the process on your Gaijin and your Steam accounts, and is possible on the condition that you have never logged into the game via Steam or linked account earlier in our other projects. To implement the binding, you need to run the game through Steam and select the login via Gaijin.net option. Once you have clicked on it, this interface will appear on your screen. In this page, what you want to do is enter your Gaijin credentials and then press login. Once you click on login, it will automatically link your Gaijin account to your Steam War Thunder. Well, if you click login by Steam without Gaijin, then in the future, you will not be able to link accounts to each other, but you will be able to link an email address to your account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can link your Gaijin account to Steam War Thunder. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.